Yes, dears. So, after a big sleep, you have come to the class, right? Yes, you should be very enthusiastic. Why? Because always maths is fun, right? Yes, you will always be very happy to attend the math session. Yes, na? Yes. Today also we have a very big surprise for you inside this class. Yes, you all wonder what it is? Yes, before seeing what is the surprise, we can do the morning prayer. Are you all ready to do the morning prayer along with me? Yes. So close your eyes, join your palms. Sukanya ma'am will come and recite the morning prayer. Sing along with ma'am.
Yes. Come on, sit straight, children. Join your palms. Close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Mageshwarah, Guru Sasha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Open your eyes. Happy morning.
Very good. Thank you so much, ma'am. So it was a wonderful prayer. Okay, children, as we already know what is that? Instructions to parents. Yes. So you all know for the full 45 minutes your mobile mic and video must be in orange color. It is sure that it is going to be a grand success with your kind cooperation and participation. Very good. Thank you so much. Can we move on to the session? Okay, in the last class, what we were seeing? We were seeing subtraction, right? Yes. Today also we are going to revise the subtraction. Subtraction means what? Subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Yes, so subtraction means take away. What is the symbol of subtraction? Okay, so it was subtraction. We were seeing about the subtraction, right? Yes, okay. Today also we are going to see subtraction, but with a story. Yesterday we learned that is the last class. We learned about the concept, and today we are going to learn with the story. Are you all happy to listen what the story is? Yes, before that, always remember whenever you come to the math class, you must have a note and a pencil along with you. Yes, how we will say the subtraction? Subtraction. Yes, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means take away. A small sleeping line is called as a minus. The small sleeping line is called as a minus. Okay, so we will move on to the next slide. What are these? These are the different words which we use for the subtraction. Okay, and we also saw different words for the addition, right? Likewise, we also have different words for subtraction also. Can we see what it is? Yes, difference, remind.
Uncles are hiding. Can you please remove that?
Now it is okay, sir?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much. Okay, dear. So the other words for subtraction is difference, remain, fewer, how many more, take away, are left, less, minus. Minus means what? A small sleeping line. Symbol of subtraction. A small sleeping line. Symbol of subtraction. Everyone write the symbol of subtraction in your note. Write the symbol, write the symbol. Yes, very good. Those who have written minus symbol, ma'am is going to give you a star. Superb. So now we are going to move on to the surprise. a surprise for you. Yes, it is the story time. Wow, wonderful. It is a story time. See how happy the doll is there. He's running over there and here. Yes, now Sukanya ma'am will say you the story. Sit straight. Blink your eyes. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Superb. Now it's the story time. Sukanya ma'am will be telling you the story.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, children. Today is maths class, but we are going to say the story, right? Yes. Daily we are seeing the sum. It is boring, right? So today we are going to see subtraction using story. Ready? Yes. Come on. Now it's story time. Listen carefully. Yes. See, before going to the story, ma'am is going to say you a Yes, see, listen. Daily in our day-to-day life, we are using subtraction. You know how? Yes, listen me. When your daddy goes to shop, takes rupees 500. Yes, no? Your mother will be saying, buy vegetable, buy fruits, buy these provisions like this. So your daddy will go and buy all the provisions for rupees 400. And the remaining amount he will bring to the home, right? Then he will give to your mother. Then your mother, what she will say? She will count how many remaining amount your daddy brought. Yes, see, in order to know what is the remaining amount, your mother needs to know subtraction, right? Yes, see, subtraction is used in our day-to-day life. See, children, yes, subtraction is used in our day-to-day life. Yes, same way in the story, we are going to see how subtraction is used in Motu life. Yes, you can see those two kids, no, tiny kids. Yes, one is Motu and another is Bolu. Yes, so we are going to go inside the story. Ready? Yes, see, there were two friends. One is Motu and another one is Bolu. See where they are living? They are living in the forest. Yes, both were living in the forest. Daily they used to go out. Why they will go out? They will go to search for food. Yes, in our home and all, our father and mother will cook and give you, no? Yes, but in jungle, what they will do? They will roam around the jungle for food. Yes, one fine day, both were walking into the forest to search for food. Suddenly, what happened? Bolu disappeared. Someone took him away from Motu. Yes, see, someone took him away from Motu and someone took Bolu away from Motu and Bolu is alone, right? Yes, Motu got afraid and started crying loudly. See, if your mother leaves you alone in your home, what you will do? You will cry, right? The same way Motu also was crying. He was crying. Yes, he was crying for the long time because he was not able to find his friend Bolu. Yes, Bolu was missing, right? So he was not able to find Bolu. And also he was very hungry. They both came to search food only, no? Suddenly he got missed and he was also very hungry. What happened? Motu started to walk again in search of food and his friend Bolu. But on the way, what he saw? He saw banana trees. Yes. After seeing the banana tree, he wanted to eat those bananas. Yes, if your mother gives you cake, what you will do? You will like to eat, no? The same way, Motu saw banana. Yes, and he wanted to eat those bananas. Why he wanted to eat those bananas? Because he was hungry, right? Yes. So he was thinking how to pick those bananas. He is very short, right? He was not able to pick those bananas. Suddenly he got an idea. Yes. What he did, you know? He started to shake the banana tree. When he shook the banana tree, what happened? Few bananas fell down. Yes, he felt very happy. What happened? He felt very happy seeing those bananas. See, suddenly if you open your fridge, cake, chocolates is there, what will happen? You will feel very happy, no? The same way, Motu, seeing those bananas, he felt very happy. Now will you all help Motu to count how many bananas are there in the ground? Will you all count with ma'am? Yes, come. We will help Motu because he don't know number names. But you all know number sense and awareness lesson, right? From 0 to 9. Yes, but Motu don't know to count. So we will help him to count. Come on, count with ma'am. How many bananas are there in the ground? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, how many bananas are there? 5 bananas are there. Yes, but seeing those bananas, Motu was very happy. He was hungry, right? So what he did, he took 2 bananas. He took 2 bananas. See, he took 2 bananas and he ate it. Yes, he ate it. See, he was having 5 bananas. Now he is thinking, how many bananas is there remaining? Like that he is thinking. Because if he keep the remaining bananas with him, he can have for the night, right? So what he did, how many remaining is there? He is thinking. So he was having 5 bananas. From that he take away 2 banana and he ate. Now how many bananas are left over? Can we help him? Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, and 3. How many bananas left over? It's 3 bananas. Yes, see, listen. From 2 bananas are taken away from 5 banana. So how many it's left over? It is 3. Can we say the statement? 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Say 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Yes, you already know the symbol of minus. You already know the symbol of equal to. Yes. Okay, now shall we go inside the story? Yes. So what happened? He ate all the bananas and he was sitting under the tree. Yes, after eating those bananas, what happened? He felt his stomach was very full, right? So he slept under the tree. When he woke up, it was dark. When he woke up, it was dark and he was very afraid because in jungle there will be no lights, right? Yes, in the moonlight only they'll be surviving. Yes, they don't have any lights there. Yes, so what happened? It was also very chill. So he planned to set up the fire. Yes, see, he planned to set up the fire. He was thinking to set up the fire, what all we need? He needs stick, he need fire. So he started collecting the sticks. Yes, see, near him there were many sticks, right? So he started to collect the sticks. Shall we count how many sticks are there? Yes, come on, count with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, very good. Motu don't know to count, but you all know to count, right? Very good, children. Super. So there was, how many sticks was there? There was 7 sticks. Yes. See, what happened then? He arranged those sticks. See, he started arranging those 7 sticks. Why? To set up the fire. Yes. Next slide, ma'am. So he started arranging those 7 sticks. And in order to fire, what he need? He need matchbox, right? But he was not having the matchbox. What happened? He was thinking, and he got an idea. One time when he came with his grandfather gave him an idea. See, in jungle and all, they won't be having matchbox. So his grandfather said, if you rub 2 stone, the fire will enlighten from it. Yes. So what happened? He went in search of stone. to set up the fire. Yes, to burn those sticks. He went to search the stone. Suddenly, what happened? Someone in the forest came and take away. Yes, they came and took his 3 sticks. They came and took his 3 sticks. Yes, then when he returned back, some sticks were missing. Yes, see, he's thinking, I kept 7 sticks there, but some sticks are missing. Oh, like this he was thinking. See, he collected 7 sticks, right? Now he don't know what is the remaining sticks left over. Shall we help him by counting? Yes. First he was having how many sticks? 7 sticks. And let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, he was having 7 sticks. And someone came and took how many sticks? 3 sticks. Yes, someone came and took 3 sticks. Now we are going to help him. How many sticks are remaining? Because with the remaining stick only, he can set up the fire. Shall we see how many remaining is there? Yes, come on, count. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Yes, very good. We found the answer and helped Motu. How many sticks are remaining? 4 sticks. Yes. What happened? Motu was very sad. Someone came and took 3 sticks and remaining only 4 sticks. With that 4 sticks, what happened? He kept and he set up the fire and he was sitting in the bushes. Yes, he was thinking, what happened to my stick? Who came and took? Like this, he was thinking, and he set up the fire and he was sitting beside the, yes, beside the fire he was sitting because it was very chill, right? So he was sitting. Someone at the back, beside someone behind the tree, they were standing behind the tree and seeing Motu. Yes, who is that? Yes, it is his friend Bolu. Yes, see, Motu was sitting beside the fire and see from the bushes what? Who is seeing? Bolu is seeing. Bolu ran and came near the Motu. Yes, he was very happy to see his friend. Then he remembered, yes, then he is asking, who took you? Who took you? Like that he was asking. He said, that elephant only took me and went and gave me many fruits I brought for you. Like that he said, and both hugged together because they were happy to see their friend. Yes, Motu was so happy to see Bolu. Both hugged together. Both hugged together and they were very happy. Yes, see, Motu and Bolu helped us to learn the subtraction. Yes, both joined together. They missed in the forest. At last, they joined together. Because of them, we learned subtraction, right? Yes, see how subtraction is used in Motu and Bolu life. Same way, subtraction is also used in our day-to-day life. Yes, see what we learned in the story. What we learned? Yes, we should always obey our parents. We should not go alone. We should go only with the elders. Yes, that elders also should be known to us. Okay, we thought without your daddy or mummy permission, you should not go with anyone. If you go, you will be missed. Yes, like Bolu, you will also be missed. Yes, so always you should go with your parents. Yes, and same way he was hungry, then we helped him by counting sticks, we helped him by counting banana. Yes, right? Same way you should also help your friends, you should also help your parents in small work. Okay, like Motu and Bolu, you should also help your family members. Yes, okay, children, now you saw subtraction. Subtraction means what? Take away. Yes, subtraction means what? Take away. And what is the symbol of subtraction? Take away. Symbol of subtraction. It is minus. It is minus. Yes. Shall we all say thank you to Motu and Bolu? Because they helped us to learn subtraction. Yes, daily we were seeing in activities, right? Yes, today those both came us to help how to do subtraction. Yes. Now shall we go to the next topic? Yes, come on, sit straight. Take your notebook. Take your pencil. Yes, say bye to Motu and Bolu, and now you all get ready. Before that, we can do exercise. Yes. Come on, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. Open and close. Open, close. Open, close. Stretch your hand. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, very good. Now get ready for workbook exercise. Yes, Yuvarani ma'am.
Thank you so much. It was a very wonderful story, ma'am. Hope you all enjoyed, right? Yes. Now it is a time for writing. If you have the workbook, write in that. If you don't have the workbook, no problem. You can write it in your rough note. We will be sending you the worksheets or PDF very shortly. Okay, Kanna. So can we see what we are going to see under the workbook writing topic? Yes. We will see what it is now. Yes, it is the worksheet number 4. It is the worksheet number 4. Yes. What is this first one? Can we see read what it is? Yes. Solve the following problems. Okay. For which one it is related to? How we can find out what sum is this? Any guesses? Yes, here is the addition symbol. That is the plus symbol. So plus means putting things together. Addition. So this is the worksheet related to the addition. Yes, superb. So now what we are going to do is we are going to solve this problem. Yes, here the first sum, the one. See the heading over here. They have given us ones. Once means what? 0 to 9 comes under the place of 1. Okay, ones place. 0 to 9 comes under the ones place. Write in your note. O N E S. Ones. 0 to 9. 0 to 9 comes under the place of ones. O N E S. Ones. Very good. Now we will see the problem. Okay, see here. For what is the first numeral given there? 3. Yes, they are given as 3. Yes, what is the next number? It is 5. Yes, it is 5. So they have given 3 and they have given us 5. What we have to do? We have to put both the numbers together. Yes. So now we can count how many cone caps are there all together. Can we count all together how many caps are there? Yes, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 3 plus 5 gives you the answer of 8. Have you all got the answer as 8? Can we do the same thing in the mental calculation also? Can we do? What is the statement for the mental calculation? 5, 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so the answer which we get is 8. So we have also written 8 here. So this is the correct answer. Superb. So can we see the next exercise now? Yes, the B sum is for your practice. We will be sending you the worksheets very shortly. Okay. So the second exercise is solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Okay. As Suganya ma'am already taught you the vertical addition. Vertical means what? Standing line. The sum will be coming in the standing line. Yes. See the first one A. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. It is in the vertical. Yes. What is the heading of it? It is the number which comes under the ones place. So you have to write ones at the top also. So now we are going to solve this problem. Yes. What is the first number? The first number is 1. Okay, so we can keep 1 in the mind. Okay, what is the second number? The second number is 5. Okay, we can keep 5 in our fingers. Okay, so can we say the statement and count all together? Yes, say the statement along with me. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. So we got the answer as 6. Wonderful. So we can write the answer as 6 in the box. When do you remember the property of plus 1? Whenever you add plus 1 to any number, you will be getting the next number. If you add plus 1 to any number, you will be getting the next number. Do you remember that property? Yes. So see here, 5 plus 1 gives you the answer as 6. Yes, sir. Yes, 5 plus 1 gives you the answer as 6. So, the after number of 5 is 6. Superb. So, the rest of the things is for your practice. We will be sending you the worksheets very shortly. Thank you so much. So, now we are going to look into the next worksheet. What is this worksheet? Oh, they have given the statement. Okay, so now we are the one to solve the statement sums here. No problem. I know you people are very smart. Yes, you can solve whatever sum we give. Okay, so look at the exercise here. Look at the chart given below. Answer the questions that follow. Okay, no problem. We can do it and we can solve it. Okay, what is the first one? It is the apples. So can we count how many apples are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 apples. Okay, what is the next one? It is a bananas. You all love bananas, right? Motu also love banana to eat. No, he was having how many bananas? He was eating the 2 bananas in 5, right? Yes, likewise, they have given the bananas here too. Can we count how many bananas are there? Yes, count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5. 5 bananas. Okay, how many oranges are there? The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 oranges. Okay, superb. So what is the next one? Next one is the Goa. Yes, can we see how many Goas are there? Yes, count along with me. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 Goas. Very good. So what is the next one? It is a pineapple. How many pineapple we have? 2 pineapples. Very good. The next one is watermelon. Yummy, yummy watermelon. You all like the watermelon, right? Yes, I know. I also like watermelon a lot. Okay, how many watermelon is there? There is only one watermelon. Okay, so now we have arranged, counted and wrote the answers for all the fruits given. Okay, now we will see the statement given below the that column. Okay, what is the first statement given there? Number of apples and Goa all together in the shop. All together means what? All together means addition. Plus, so they are asking about the apples and Goa all together. So can we put the sum for apples and Goa? So now say me how many apples are there? Yes, there are 6 apples, right? Yes, okay. So now the next one they have asked for is Goa. So where is the Goa? Yes, it is in the fourth row. Yes, here. So how many Goas are there? There are 3 Goas. So now we can write number 3 here. Okay, all together, how much we have? Can we count all together? Yes, do the addition. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got the answer as 9. So number of apples and guava all together in the shop is 9. So we'll be writing 9 in the dash. Very good, superb. So now we have done this. Okay, can we see the next sum here? B statement? Yes. What is the B statement? Number of oranges and watermelons together in the shop. Number of oranges and watermelons together. Again, we are seeing the one more term here. Together. All together. Together. In all, how many? Total. Sum plus addition, all these words related to the addition. Okay, so now we are going to count how many oranges and watermelons are all together. Okay, so how many oranges are there? There are 4 oranges. How many watermelons are there? There is only one watermelon. Okay, so can we do the sum? 4 plus 1 gives you what? Whenever we add plus 1 to any number, we will be getting the next number. Yes, what is the next number of 4? It is 5. Very good, superb. Okay, can we do this one in our mind calculation also? Can we check whether it is correct or not? Yes, 4 plus 1. Can we do the mind calculation here? 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 4, 5. So we are getting the answer as 5. Superb. So here also we got 5. Here also we got 5. So our answer is correct. The rest of the sums is for your practice. Those who have the workbook, you can do in your workbook. Those who don't have the workbook, no problem. You can do it in your rough note. We will be sending you the worksheets very shortly. Thank you so much. So the session will be carried out by Suganya ma'am. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Arani ma'am. Children, now you are familiar with workbook exercise? Yes, we already saw lesson 1 workbook and now lesson 2 workbook is also completed. Yes, those who have your workbook, you can finish lesson 1 and lesson 2 and send in the WhatsApp group. Your class teacher, yes, we will ask your class teachers, ma'am, whether your kids are finished and we will give you star, lollipop. Yes, we will give everything to you all. Okay. Yes, now it's time for assignment. Yes. See, ma'am has already sent you this assignment, right? You should count. See, in the first one, solve the sum, then color. Yes, you should solve. See, in the birds, it is given challenge, right? Yes, that bird is challenging you all. But you kids, you all know to do addition. Yes, see, after adding whatever color you like, you can color it. Okay. And the same way, what you also know to do? Number line, right? Yes, the frog, repeat frog was jumping from 0 to the number which is given. Yes, same way you should do this assignment. Okay, you should do this worksheet and send it in the WhatsApp group. Yes, and now it's the time for tables. Yes, did you all memorize one table? Did you all memorize? Very good. Now shall, yes, sir?
Last 3 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, you should all memorize the one table. Then only ma'am will teach you two tables. Okay. So sit along with your parents, memorize the one table, and say to them. Then only they will be very happy. Hi, my kids are saying tables like that. They'll be very happy. Okay. And see, there is see. Are you all seeing the screen? There is a Pokemon. Yes, going here and there and going inside the room. See, there is a green color. Yes, that is the disease. Yes, germs is coming and eating the Pokemon. Yes, so you should all be safe at home and you should obey your parents. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay, bye, children. You